Standard 7th, Subject Maths. Today we are going to learn chapter number 8, Algebraic Expressions and Operations on them. Practice set 32. Let's learn about algebraic expressions. 3n plus 1, 3t, 2x plus 3y, 2 bracket l plus b are algebraic expressions. Here you can see that the alphabets N, T, Y, L, B, X are the variables in these expressions. So what are the numbers called then? Let's have a look. Let's learn. In the expression 3x, 3 is the coefficient of the variable x. So the number is called the coefficient and the alphabet is called the variable. In the expression minus 15t, minus 15 is the coefficient of the variable t. An expression in which multiplication is the only operation is called a term. Now if you see 3x, 3 is multiplied by x, so it is called a term. Minus 15t, minus 15 into t. An algebraic expression may have one term or maybe the sum of several terms. So now that you know what is a term, let's have a look at some examples. 11mn. Here the coefficient is 11 and variables are m and n. Next, minus 9x square y cube. Coefficient is minus 9 and variables are x, y. Term 5 upon 6 p. 5 upon 6 is a coefficient and p is the variable. Okay, while writing the variables, the power has not been mentioned in the table. So, how to operate the powers we'll learn later. Term is given a. So, a means a is multiplied by 1. So, we can say that coefficient is 1 and variable is a. So, this way you should be familiar with what is term, coefficient and variable. Remember, the algebraic expression 15 minus x has two terms. The first term 15 is a number. So only a number also can be counted as a term. The second term is minus x. X is a variable. So here the coefficient of the variable x is minus 1. You can say that minus 1 into x is minus x. Terms which have the same variables with the same powers are called like terms. So what are like terms? Let's have a look at some examples. The first one, 2x, 5x minus 2 upon 3x. All the variables are the same, that is x. So these terms in the expression 1 are called like terms. Second example, minus 5x square y, 6 upon 7 yx square. Now y is raised to the power of 1 and x is raised to the power of 2. The powers are also same. Then we can say that these are like terms. Now let's have a look at unlike terms. First example, 7xy, 9y square and minus 2xyz. You will see that the variables are different. So they are called unlike terms. Second example for unlike terms, 8mn, 8m square n square, 8m cube n. You will see in all the terms for second example, mn is the variable but the powers are not same. So they come in the category of unlike terms. So for terms to be considered as like terms, their powers also should match. So now, types of algebraic expressions. Expressions are named after the number of terms they have. Expressions with one term are called monomials. Those with two terms, binomials. With three terms, trinomials. And if they have more than three terms, they are called polynomials. Okay, so let's have a look at some examples of monomials. 4x, you will see only one term, 5 upon 6m minus 7. These are all monomials. Binomials, you will see there are two terms like 2x minus 3y, 2l plus 2b, 3mn minus 5m square n. So you will see two terms are there and there is an operation sign in between them. Trinomials, you will see three terms, a plus b plus c, x square minus 5x plus 6, 8a cube minus 5a square b plus c. So three terms means trinomials. And more than three, see the last one, polynomials. Polynomials means you have more than either 4 or more than 4. So a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab minus b cube. There are 4 terms, so it is polynomial. Second, 4x raised to the power of 4 minus 7x square plus 9 minus 5x cube minus 16x. You will see there are 5 terms in this expression. So it comes under the category of polynomials. And the last one, 5x raised to the power of 5 minus 1 upon 2x plus 8x cube minus 5. 4 terms again, so it is polynomial. So based on this, we are going to solve our practice set number 32. Classify the following algebraic expressions as monomials, binomials, trinomials or polynomials. So you have altogether 8 questions. Let's have a look at the questions. First one, 7x. It is a, yes, monomial because only one term. Second, 5y minus 7z, it is a binomial, 2 terms. Third one, 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11. How many terms can you see in this expression? 3 terms. So it is called a trinomial. So let's have a look at the fourth one, 1 minus 80 minus 7a square minus 7a cube. How many terms can you see? 4 terms. So it will be a polynomial. Let's have a look. First one is a monomial, second binomial, third trinomial and fourth polynomial. So let's solve the remaining questions. Fifth one, 5m minus 3. You can see 2 terms, so it is obviously a binomial. Sixth, you see only a. So a is a single term. Though it is multiplied by 1, we don't write 1a, only a. So it is a monomial. 4. 4 also is a single number, so it's a monomial. Just one term. And eighth one, 3y square minus 7y plus 5. You can see 3 terms here, so it is a trinomial. So basically practice set 32 was to identify how many terms are there in the given expression and accordingly categorize them as monomial, binomial, trinomial or polynomial. So hope you have understood this practice set 32. Do solve the sums in your books. Stay safe, keep learning and thank you.